Hi everybody, here for day number 4, and if you've been following along from the very beginning of 12 days of Tai Chi, then you are doing excellent work. Stick with it and you will really feel the benefits, mind and body. And if you keep on practicing over and over, you'll get used to some of the movements. You can check out some of my other sessions and playlists that use these movements over and over for low impact, gentle exercise for our health, fitness and well-being. Today's session is extra special. We've got just one movement to do and it's probably one of my all-time top 3 moves, which I really love. It's grasping the sparrow's tail. So we're going to start with weight on one foot and we are holding the ball. We're going to do a heel toe into our bow stance, and I'm going to direct mine over to the corner. Instead of going to our stroking the horse's mane, we're bringing it to here, which is called ward off. So a barrier across the body. Keeping our body weight in our bow stance, we're lifting up across that front leg to the corner. We're going to pull back, bringing our body weight mainly into this back leg here. The front leg is straight. I'm bringing my arm to ward off again, and the other arm is pointing outwards, and both palms are facing inwards. Like I'm wiping a window and bending at the elbow, bringing the hand and slotting it in that gap there between ward off and my belly. And then going to push forwards, bringing my body weight as well. Bringing this back hand over the front, and like I've got a big beach ball in front of me, just resting my hands gently on that. Rocking back this time, lifting the toe on this front foot and bringing this hands towards me into the dantian, so that I can push forwards again, bringing myself back to bow stance. Let's do that all again. So holding the ball, we're heel toe, stroke the horse, but we come into our ward off. We're reaching high. We're pulling back, keeping that front toe down, ward off and point out forwards. Wipe the window, slot inside the gap, pushing forwards. We open out over the beach ball, we're rocking in, we'll turn of the waist so we can push from the dantian, power that push. Let's try one more time on this side. I'm going to do it straight forwards this time so you can see from a different angle. Ward off. Reach high, pull back, out to the sides, wipe the window, slot inside, push forwards, open out, bring it in, and push it forwards, grasping the sparrow's tail. Let's try it on the second side. So holding the ball, heel toe, stroke the horse, and we come to ward off in our bow stance. Make it a good bow stance because you're there for some time. Reaching out, pulling back, front toe down, wipe the window, slot inside, pushing forwards, open out so this backhand comes over the top, onto the beach ball. We rock it in and we push it back out again. Let's do that again. Heel toe, ward off, reach high, pull back, slot inside, push it forwards, open out, rock it in and push it forwards. Let me do it to the front. On the second side, heel toe. do our grasping the sparrow's tail, turning to the sides with a turning bow stance today. So let's check out the footwork. So we start with our weight on one foot, and instead of just heel toeing out to the front or the corner, we're going to open the hips and take it as far around the corner as we can, pointing that toe to the side wall. And put my toe down and transferring the weight. And then I need to adjust this back foot so I can turn the hips and face everything to the side. So I'm lifting the heel and pushing it backwards so that I can get into a nice bow stance, and my hips have come all the way round, midline, dantian, facing the side wall. As a modified, easier option for you, you can do your heel toe around the corner and then just lift this back foot up and place it where you need it to be so you're in a nice bow stance. Okay, let's try that on the other side. So weight on the supporting leg, we're taking the heel all the way around, toe down, transfer the weight, adjusting this back foot, lift it up the heel, push it back. We end up in a bow stance. And you've got to try and aim to be hip width apart, so it's all about placing that heel as far round when you first start this movement. Let's try that again, modified. So heel, toe, transfer the weight, and then lift the back leg and place it where you need it to be. Let's add our grasping the sparrow's tail arms to that. So holding the ball. Heel, toe, stroke the horse. We come to ward off in our bow stance facing the side. Lifting high to the back corner. Pushing back. I'm looking at you and bringing it in. Pushing forwards. Open out. Rocking back. And pushing forwards. And then we're going to rock back. Turn around to the front here. Transfer the weight and tap in, holding the ball, and we're ready to go the other way. So heel, toe, stroke the horse, hold the mirror, we're coming to ward off. Adjust that back foot. Lifting high to the back corner. Pull back, looking at you. Bring it in, pushing forwards. Beach ball, rock it in, push it out. Rock back. Turn that foot, transfer the weight onto it and tap in. Let's go again. Really make it flow, continuous. Following the hands, lots of focus. One more time on each side. See you when we do day 5.